Attention must be strengthened, effort must be maximized, and respect for the process must be shown in every episode of life. Because the results are not in our control.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sofa Atur Rashida, a 4th semester's medical record and health information student at the Health Polytechnic of the Ministry of Health Malang.
It's better to fail because you've dared to try than to regret not having the courage to try. That is the principle that I always instill in myself to dare to try my challenges. The first thing I want to try was writing. I have great confidence that by writing, my knowledge will be more useful. At first, it was not easy, but after enjoying it, it turned out to be comfortable. And I started participating in various writing competitions, such as the National Scientific Writing Competition at the State University of Yogyakarta and the National Student Scientific Week of the Health Polytechnic of the Ministry of Health. My hobby is counting. I like things related to calculations. However, I enjoy a challenge. So, I enrolled in a health study program at the Health Polytechnic of the Ministry of Health Malang, focusing on medical records and health information. So, I learned a lot about the medical and also calculation in the medical, one of which is statistics in hospitals. I won first place in the statistic competition organized by the Department of Medical Record and Health Information of the Ministry of Health Semarang in collaboration with DBD Bermiki Central Java, and third place in the statistic competition organized by the Department of Medical Record and Health Information of the Ministry of Health Malang. When I was in the 3rd and 4th semesters, I got an outstanding scholarship from the Health Polytechnic of the Ministry of Health Malang because I was able to memorize the Quran. Besides that, I also participate in KERJA, which is one of the student activity unit engaged in the religious field. I will convey innovative product to the selection of outstanding students. On many occasions, we hear the term workload. But what is workload? What is the formula for calculating workload for different types of work?
Sejumlah perawat juga menyampaikan orasinya memprotes kebijakan manajemen yang memberikan beban kerja kepada mereka 1:16 pasien. Padahal menurut mereka maksimal setiap SDM yang ada hanya bisa melayani 6 pasien.
When health professionals' workload are rarely evaluated, there will be an unbalanced allocation of workloads, with some health workers being excessively free or too busy. Furthermore, one of the issues in the workplace is a lack of understanding on how to calculate workload. According to the Central Statistic Agency, the manufacturing industry will contribute the most to national gross domestic product in 2021. Workload has a significant impact on the quality of a person's work. The majority of people in Indonesia, especially at this moment, work in the industrial sector. This is why calculating the workload is critical science. In addition to determining a worker's workload, it can also be used to determine the benefits of estimating the workload for both individuals and businesses. The WMA application, or Workload Measurement Analysis application, is used to calculate workload analysis and determine how many people are needed in each field. The advantages of the WME application include: the first, clear and detailed steps; the second, there are video tutorials; The third, 5 methods of choice. The fourth, conclusion of calculation. The sixth, as a proof of recruitment. And the seventh, history to view previous calculation. Result can be downloaded. Required data and formula from the workload analysis method in the WMA application
is touch of each job assignment. There are two methods for assigning tasks of each job assignment, namely Workload Indicator Staffing Need and Full-Time Equivalent.
The Workload Indicator Staffing Need method is often used in hospitals to determine the number of staff required, such as doctors, nurses, and medical recorders. The required data to perform the calculation is the work division, working days, working time, main activities, allowance factor, and the number of initial works. So, that results are obtained sequentially starting from the result of working days, available working time, workload standards, allowance standards, number of workers needed, and additional workers needed. The full-time equivalent method is widely utilized in the industrial environment, where each position involves a variety of activities. The required data to perform the calculation is the work division, working days, effective working time, effective working hours, allowances, and employee activities. So, the results are obtained sequentially starting from the result of working days, available working, effective working hours, allowance, and number of additional works.
I hope the interface design of the WMA application can develop. So, this application can help workload calculation on more jobs. And keep innovating because Indonesia needs our ideas.